Following several high-profile scandals, YouTube is tightening the rules around its partner program, raising the requirements vloggers have to meet to be able to monetize their videos. This means that for creators to make money from YouTube and have ads attached to videos, they must have clocked up over 4,000 hours of watch time on their channel within the past 12 months. Channels must also have at least 1,000 subscribers. Channels that don't have these numbers will simply no longer be able to make income from ads. This change will effectively make it harder for new, smaller channels and hobbyists to be able to make money on YouTube. It's not surprising then that these tighter ad rules have been met with dismay by many YouTubers who feel the changes are an unfair reaction to a small number of high-profile events. The first point is that no one knows you, and don't get me wrong, that is literally the main reason. If your content is good and you are posting regularly, in the beginning no one knows you, you don't have a big audience. The thing about being not known is that people are not even interested in your videos, especially when you want to share your videos on social media platforms. Like when you send a YouTube link to friends, family, or random people, most of the time, like August 10th, won't watch your videos, and in other words, it's more like you will be annoying them. To put it simply, no one has time for you and what you have to offer, which will make it very hard for the YouTube algorithm to pick up your videos. That's why it's easy for content creator like KSI to create another channel, because he is already well known in the industry. If KSI created another channel like he have already done in the past with the Sideman, his channel would easily boom in a matter of days. A great example is what KSI does in the Sideman. It's like the internet can never have enough of him. The algorithm is not in favor of small channels unless your video trends on YouTube, and the problem is that YouTube won't promote your videos because the algorithm does not know if you have a high-quality video or not. So content creation for YouTube in 2022, is it dead? The short answer may be. Because it's impossible to make it on YouTube in this era. It's just that it was much easier in the last decade. So what's the reason? Niche saturation. Many YouTubers are dominating in those common niche, so for a small YouTuber like you to join the niche, it's like a joke. Look at a popular YouTuber like Mr. Beast. What made Mr. Beast stand out is the fact that his videos are unique and the fact he provides content that has never been done by some YouTuber. Beast is a genius entrepreneur and YouTuber. He caters to the lowest common denominator. His videos are largely mindless, expensive, often performative acts that aren't controversial in any way, shape, or form. There's no politics, no real personal opinions, no world events. So the next small YouTuber who will take YouTube by storm will be creating unique content that has never been seen before, just like Mr. Beast did. So in conclusion, YouTube is much harder this decade, and only if you think out of the box, that's when you will make it. Let's take another good example of YouTuber like James Yanni, who made it this decade in a matter of few months. If you find this video educational, please like this video, and if you want me to keep post videos like this which take hours to make, please subscribe.